Here is a leather-covered journal I just finished. The spine, it was supposed to look like a vertebrae and stuff, but excuse the tiki guy at the bottom. I used black leather and I used ostrich. Um, and on the inside, I got the parchment paper, which a little bit off. It's more of a vellum parchment than an actual parchment color. Um, the original was bound about 1/8 of an inch around, and I did 1/4 of an inch, which served my purpose. But then it doesn't match up here. Right here it doesn't match up. So back is same as the front, and as always, thank you for tuning in. Okay, here's a quick tip. What you can do is you can take bookends that are the cheaper metal ones, and you can bend them backwards on themselves, which gives you this nice soft edge. And then what you can do is you can push them together, and they hold together by the friction of this clamping down on it. Then what you can do is you can actually put the book in there. This one don't fit right off, but you can put the book in there and work on the edge that you need to. Tighten it up, loosen it up, or whatever you, yeah.